All right. So we need to have a talk. Xbox, Xbox enjoyers, Xbox haters, whatever. Okay. Quick resume needs to be able to be disabled. It breaks so many games. And I just found another one that literally will not open because of quick resume. It works on Xbox One S, One X, and the 360, but not on the Series X. And can we guess what feature causes it? So before I show you an example of this, I'm tired of being told go to the forums for suggestion. Blah 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 blah. Stop. It needs to be fixed now. I'm so sick of it. It is an online only feature too, because I know when my internet went out on an outage, I could not remove games from Quick Resume. Nobody asked for this feature. This feature does not help. Games load up fast nowadays anyway. What are we doing? I don't like it on the PS5 either. It's not called Quick Resume, but it's something similar on the PS5. Like, it doesn't help. Any game. Like, any game. Like, there's not a game you can name that is like, oh man, like, cool, that this feature is great for. And if you say a game, you're lying. I'm sorry. Like, just watch. Just watch. So I'm gonna play this. Right? Play this. Let's put a smile and wait. Do 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 do. Microsoft Studios. Oh, hmm. What happened? Oh, right back at the home screen. Oh, I wonder what happened there. Let me try it again. Maybe it's just a fluke. Maybe I'm just imagining it. Hmm. Oh, look, it got even less far this time. Okay, so let's talk about this for a second too. So other games that are affected by Quick Resume are um pretty much all 360 titles. Let's say that. Uh, in Dishonored 2, it locks you out of achievements. Okay, it locks you out of achievements for a lot of achievements. Let's so Dishonored 2 locks you out of a lot of achievements, which is kind of annoying. A lot of these games, sometimes they'll just randomly crash because of it. Let's see. Let's go down the list. Let's go down the list and see if I can refresh my memory here on games that I can't play because of quick resume, or just genuinely, you know, like a bunch of these just don't work properly because of quick resume. And I don't have a way to give an example. Like, I can't show you because it would take too much time. I don't want to be this video to be an hour long of me just going through every single title that quick resume messes up. But every rare replay title, no achievements register because of it. Okay. Sorry, I should have been under own games this whole time because a lot of those games I don't own. I own like actual good games. Um. So yeah. Uh. You know, I don't know why y'all took these servers offline. By the way, whoever did that was really dumb. But another thing too is like with this game, I don't see invites sometimes because of it, or I get every single message I've ever gotten while it's on, like while I'm trying to play it. Let's see. You know. Oh, this one too will do the same thing Alan Wake does. Like it does the same thing Alan Wake does. I don't know if it'll do it here. Let's see if it'll do it here. But oh wait, I gotta install it. Whoops, I didn't have it installed. But my point being is quick resume is just not a good feature, and it needs to go. Like you can keep doing your trash you know Game Pass hella indie games that nobody cares about you know and you're $30. I'm not gonna pay for it myself because I'm not dumb. I know it's not worth it. Even Game Pass Core isn't worth it. Like, you need to bring back gold. But quick resume is a feature that needs to be addressed now. And I'm tired of being ignored. I'm tired of you pretending that you don't see it, or pretending like you don't care, or pretending like it's not needed. Like I'm pretty sure that this game that I bought right here, if I can't play it because of a feature on your console, I'm pretty sure that's grounds for some kind of something, but I can't think of the term. So please don't make me have to do it. Like, it's not okay that there are literal entire titles that I've paid for with my money, like even physical copies. But you'll say, "Oh, you don't own the games; you own the license, whatever." I don't care. The point is I paid money, so either refund me my money or fix this feature, because I'm genuinely tired of finding more and more games that I cannot play on this stupid Series X because you refuse to deal with this issue. You refuse to acknowledge it. You keep dancing around it, and I don't know why. And I refuse to accept that it's just something you can't do. Because if it's an online feature, it can be disabled. If it's tied to the internet, you can put a patch in that fixes it. That's the end of the rant. Uh, I'm just gonna play the remastered version